up, YouTube? It's your girl Ken once again, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while. I know. Don't come for me. It's been a very long time since I've done a video. A lot that's been going on these past couple months. Like a lot that has been going on. So pretty much I have a lot to tell you guys. And think that it will only be right to tell you guys over a mukbang. I haven't really did a mukbang like that. It's been like last year with one of my friends. Last time I did a mukbang. So I think I'm gonna do a mukbang and just let you guys know exactly what's been going on and just catch up with you guys, because I definitely don't like keep you guys abandoned or have you thinking like, when is Ken come out with another video or whatever. So yes, I'm definitely doing that. I'm on my way actually to go and get some fufu. I am super scared. I don't really know what it tastes like, but yeah, I'm about to call him now and I'm about to place the order for my fufu.
My pumpkin red heart.
Hello?
Hello, you called me?
No, baby, I ain't call you yet. I'll call you in a little bit. Just have your phone, okay?
Okay.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, so more often to speak, how may I help you?
Yes, I like to place an order.
Okay, what can I get for you?
I want to get the Fufu Egusi.
What would be your choice of meat?
What's the choices of meat that you
We
have?
have beef, chicken, tilapia fish, tripe, cow food. Goat meat is $3 extra.
Okay, how does the goat meat taste?
Stewed.
Huh?
It's a stewed goat meat. Tastes good.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try which one would you prefer with all of them?
Either one, you'll be fine. Beef is good. The goat meat is good. It's just that the goat meat is gonna cost you $3 extra.
Okay, so yeah, we'll get the goat meat.
Okay. Is it just one plate?
Yeah, just one plate, and then can I get a side of the Jollof rice?
Yes, ma'am. Does that complete your order?
Yes, please.
Okay, that'll be 2143. What will be the name of your order?
It's gonna be Kenya.
Kenya. Okay.
Yes.
Alright, see you.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. Y'all, I was gonna do the chicken, but I really wanted to try it with goat meat. Or the beef. Probably would have been good. But I'm gonna try it with the goat meat because, yeah. I'm gonna try it with the goat meat. Why did I try? I don't know why I tried it with the goat meat. I should just got chicken because I probably would be able to eat it. I should try it again. Get the same order again. Let me call back. Hi, yes, I just called. My name's Kenny. I just placed the order. Can I add on something to my order?
Can you do what?
Can I add on something to my order?
Sure. What do you want to have?
So I want to add the same thing, the Fufu Egusi, without the Jollof rice, but instead of the goat meat, can I get beef? So I'm gonna keep the first one. It's just the second one is gonna be beef instead.
Okay. So you want 2 egusi now, right?
Yes, I want 2 of them. Yeah, for 2. It's gonna be 2 different orders. I mean, it's gonna be on the same card, but it's gonna be 2 separate plates.
Okay, so 2 egusi, 1 egusi with goat meat, the second one with beef.
Yes, ma'am.
And you don't want the side of rice, right?
No, ma'am. I just want the side of rice with the first one.
Okay, okay. Okay, I got you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Yeah, because I'm thinking like, what if the goat meat tastes so bad? And then I'm not gonna know what it tastes like with beef because I'm probably not gonna order it ever again. So I need to sit here and get it and try it either way. You know what I'm saying? Like try it with the goat meat and then try it with the beef, just so I can kind of get the difference of what is what. Because I was like, I should get chicken, but I was like, no. Goat meat probably tastes more like beef than chicken. I don't know, but I'm running late, so yeah, I'm about to go on my way. You guys about to ride with me. I'm about to call. I gotta actually stop at my homegirl's house. Let me call her right quick.
I don't know how you can do this. Hello?
Hey, I'm in the car, so I just placed my order. I'm about to be on the road going that way, so I don't know if you want to meet first, let me get the food first, either or.
Okay, it depends what time you get here. I'm finna get my food now. The Chinese place up the street from me.
Okay, yeah, because I'm leaving the house, so it's probably going to take me about 20 or 30 or something like that, depending on traffic. Okay, y'all. So, I got the food. I'm mad because it tipped over in the car. It tipped over in the car. I just hope that she got the lids on pretty good to where it don't like, you know, like waste or something like that. This traffic is crazy. I wish I could show you guys what I see right now because it's ridiculous. It is honestly ridiculous right now. But like I said, I need to use my GPS so I can get home. Let me see. Y'all don't mind me. I'm just trying to get home. I want to get home. I just gotta get home. I gotta get home. It's just too much. It's too much. I hate 5 o'clock traffic. But oh look, I got a drink too. I got Doritos Mandarin natural flavor soda. You see that I haven't tried none of this stuff. I haven't tried African food. I'm real, like, when it comes to meals, I don't try African foods. I don't try certain weird Chinese foods. I don't try Asian, Mexican. It's just like I stick with basic stuff, or if I do try that kind, I stick with the stuff that I know. Like I don't get like goat meat and, you know, whatever. So yeah, this is my first time. I hope I'm not like allergic or get sick or anything like that from it, but I'm super excited. So let me just drive. I'm about to hit the highway right now because I just left the place. So I'm gonna hit you guys up when I get home and we can start discussing stuff, okay? I just made it home, literally like 4 hours ago. Like where I was supposed to go was only a 45-minute drive, but it took 4 hours to get home. Traffic was horrible. I have my drink right here. It's the Doritos Mandarin. I don't know. I'm gonna try this first, the drink, just to kind of see what's going on with it. Hopefully it's good. She said it's a soda, so. Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. This is good. Doritos Mediterranean. I say Mediterranean. I think it's Mediterranean. Or Mandarin. Mandarin. I don't know. It's good. Okay. Now, mind you guys, I'm very simple. When it comes to foods and stuff, I'm very simple. I don't know what this is. I had to come in my son's room because we're moving. It's boxes everywhere. And then the dogs are like losing their mind barking. So yeah. Okay. I don't know what this little salt. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Okay. Where have I been, you guys? I've been gone for 2 months. What is this? Oh, this is the. It's got to be the fufu, right? The like the bread stuff. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Still hot. It's like, what is it, like bread? It tastes kind of like mashed potatoes in a ball. That's weird. It has a really bland taste to it. Oh, this is my rice. This is my Jollof rice. Jollof. This is my Grace. It's Grace, guys. Good. Let's thank for it. Please, Lord, don't let me get sick off this food. I have an allergic reaction. Let my pray, amen. Okay. Alright, let me try it. It's they rice. They Jollof rice. Yeah, I hope this seasoning. That Jollof rice good. It tastes kind of like jambalaya rice. Cause I know what like jambalaya rice is. Kind of tastes like that. Now this right here, I'm scared. I'm scared because I got, okay, so let me tell y'all. One of them is beef and one of them is goat meat. I don't know what is what. Let me see. Alright. Let me try this one. Oh, this gotta be goat meat. It smell good. Let me see what this is. Take the lid off of it. Oh heck, that might be goat meat. No, that look like beef. You know what? This is the first time in my life where I'm starting to question what beef look like and what the heck goat meat look like. This smell like beef. Yeah, I think this beef. I don't know, y'all. This smell like beef. Okay. Alright. Let me try a little piece of this. Let's see. It's actually pretty good. But I ain't tried the meat part. I tried this part. Whatever that is. I guess that's the Egusi. Okay, let me try the goat meat. Okay, I know this goat meat. Or this might be, I don't even know. Okay, let me see. Y'all, this is probably the beef. This tastes like beef. This good. This is really good. Oh yeah, this beef. Let me see. Let me taste some of this. And I'm not supposed to eat with your hands. I'm just gonna do like that. Okay. Yeah, this is actually good. This tastes like beef stew. It tastes like beef stew. This is really good. Like, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm very surprised. Like, not that, I'm not surprised at the place. It's good. I'm surprised that, like, I'm lacking another culture type dish, you know? Because I'm so, like, finicky about everything. I need to be like, how's she finicky? She big as hell. Yeah. Big girls can be finicky too. Okay, so this is good. Let me try this one over here. And I thought that was the beef. Now I'm scared. Okay, let me put this. Let's switch positions. Okay, let me try this. Ooh, this look a little more red. This gotta be goat meat. See, I tried the goat one first. Oh God, I'm scared. What is something pop out at me? This one's, yeah. This is goat meat. This smells different. This smells different. This smells different. This is goat meat. Oh my God. Okay. So before I eat this, I'm gonna start talking about what's going on me. So I think the last video I posted was in December. It was my mom's 60th birthday. Ooh, excuse me. And it was just pretty much like, her birthday was on the 15th. And then, you know, Christmas time came, and it was a lot going on in Christmas time, you guys. Like a lot of personal stuff that I tell you guys a lot of stuff, but it's just some stuff we can't discuss. But just know it was a lot of stuff. Everything's fine now. It's not nothing like serious or like anything like that, but at the time it was serious. And it almost ruined Christmas. So we had to definitely handle some things. And then when New Year's came, I was like, you know what, I have so many video ideas that I want to do, but I just kind of want to do different things to my channel, because I feel like I don't really do a lot, if that makes sense, like to my channel. So yeah, let's go meat. Yeah, so I was like, you know, let me just go on hiatus for a little bit, and I was just focusing on me. I was just trying to build up ideas, because you guys, I've been doing YouTube for a while, and I feel like each year I want to go like, excuse me, I want to go up higher and higher with my views and stuff, and my subscribers and stuff like that. And I feel like I've been at like a plateau for a while. And oh, this is good. I should have got 2 of these. But yeah, I was like a plateau for a while with my subscribers and stuff, and I feel like, okay, you know, what's going on? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing? Whatever. So now, I think before I was so focused on like subscribers, to where I just stopped really being me and stopped putting out content that I used to put out. And I need to focus now on just having fun, you guys. Like, I don't care about the subscriber count no more. I don't care about none of that. I just care about having fun and being me, because I feel like when you enter Kinkin world, like, you're gonna see Kinkin. You're gonna see me authentically, you know. And that's just what it is, you know. So yeah, I know my first video back is the fufu and everything. And yeah, so now I did have a video that said that I was going to the doc. Ow, that hurts so bad. I said I was going to the doctor. Supposed to be in February, I think, February 9th, but I canceled it because my schedule changed at work. So then I changed it to March. I think it's like March something. But then that is not gonna work either, because what is this? Oh yeah, that's not gonna work either, just because of let me try this. I want to try it so bad. But yeah, that oh God, I can't even. It hit the floor. It hit the floor, you guys. I have to pick that up in a little bit. Okay, let me get another piece. Alright, let me get another piece. I'm gonna get a piece. I'm gonna take it for this time. I'm not gonna hold you guys up. Alright, goat meat. Let's go. Ready? Shit. Ready, set, go. They both taste the fucking same almost. Like, this got a slightly twang to it. This has like a slight twang to it. But I think I'm just tripping because I know it's goat meat, you know? It's all a mental thing because it's not bad. Hell, the rice tastes more damn bland in the damn meal, you know? It's like the more I eat this rice, I don't know. And it's not spicy. I know a lot of people say like they make it real spicy, but it's not spicy. I guess because I love spicy, but it's not spicy. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm about to start eating with my hands because I want to feel the authentic African culture. So I'm gonna save the fork for the rice, so y'all can see. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to the beef, which honestly, I don't even know if I'm eating beef. Or I don't even know which one the fuck I don't even know what I'm eating. Heck, I might be eating. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm eating. Ooh, my lips tingling. I feel like it's burning. I gotta eat something spicy. But yeah, this right here, this gotta be beef. I'm about to fuck this shit up. Sorry y'all. I'm about to mess this up. This the beef. But yeah, so, oh, I just said I was gonna eat with my hands. Okay. Yeah, so I was gonna go to the doctor in March, but it's not gonna work either because I'm going on like a couple trip, and the time of the couple trip, it falls literally right when I'm supposed to go to the doctor. So I'm gonna have to postpone it again. Y'all, this tastes like mashed potatoes. This tastes like mashed potatoes that's yeast. I don't know. It's good though. It's good. No? It's good. I really didn't think I was gonna enjoy it. It's like that. It's not nasty at all. The goat meat, it's not. Let me see. Let me go on my pig. Cause heck, I might be eating the goat meat now, thinking it's beef. She didn't label it, so I don't know. This piece right here look a little too red for me. Let me throw that back. Alright. Let's see. Yeah. That's goat meat. That goat meat spicy. Whew. That goat meat is spicy. That's where the spice coming in at. It's the flavor of the goat meat to make sure that like you don't taste that wilderness, you know? Cause that's the scariest part, like eating and stuff. And it's like you eating it, but like you taste the wilderness. Like, I don't want to taste the wilderness. That's good. Okay. This is really good, you guys. Like, I'm not even joking. What was I talking about? What that was. But yeah. So, like, I gotta reschedule my appointment again. And it's like, I'm tired of rescheduling my appointment. So I might just cancel the appointment and then schedule when I know I can go. Because I am trying to hold these doctors up. Because I'm definitely trying to get pregnant this year. You know? Part of my weight loss. It's going good. I have been at a standstill. I lost like 47 pounds total. But I've been at a standstill ever since. Haven't lost any more. So I think I need to start doing cardio because I kind of stopped cardio. Ooh. This is good. Yeah, so I stopped cardio. So, you know. But I'm definitely going to start that back up. That goat meat is hot, honey. It kind of make me want to eat it because it's hot. I'm going to try it again. And I'm getting full. That's another thing. Like, I don't even eat as much. But hopefully I had this baby this year, y'all. Because I gotta go to the doctor and see what's going on. Because I feel like I definitely should have been pregnant by now. You know? This rice got a lot of spices in it. I hope I don't see no bug or nothing. Yeah. This stuff is good. But, I don't know. I got a lot of content coming. So my videos are now gonna come out every Sunday, you guys. Every Sunday. I was gonna put a time on it, but I'm not. But I'm gonna put a day on it. Let me try this. Let me try this one more time. Let me try this one more time. That shit's spicy. Let me dip it in the sauce. Why the freak did I dip it in it? Maybe if I put this around it. Let me see. No. 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 Yep, that's it. I'm done. No. Ain't no way. Y'all. My crazy ass thought oh, Jesus, help me. I thought that the sauce would taste good. That sauce tastes like the wilderness. Oh no, baby, this is definitely beef. I ain't gotta look. Let me try this sauce. That sauce there. Let me see. Let me dip my sauce. Yeah, this beef. I'm done with that. See, I was gonna say it's good, it's alright. The meat was okay until I just dipped it into the sauce. Like, that sauce nasty. I don't know about that. And this damn and this I don't know. It's like the more I eat the jollof rice, I just like this one, you guys. So I would definitely recommend, if you want to do the Fufu Egusi challenge, please get the beef. The goat meat tastes like beef. It's got a slight twang to it, but it's good. It's not nasty, but excuse me. That sauce, no. Y'all, I was about to just pee on myself. No, that sauce is disgusting. I can't with that sauce. This shit right here good though. This is good. This is really good. This is all of my. I don't know what this is, you guys. Like, I'm scared to use this. What is supposed to be butter? It's like a little. I don't know what this for. Oh God! This smells horrible. If y'all know what this is, please write it in the comments. No thank you. No thank you. Yeah, so the place I went to was really nice. Really clean. They was really friendly people. I just don't think goat meat is for me. Yeah. I don't know, y'all. That shit tastes disgusting. Not the meat, that sauce. I don't know what's in that sauce. Baby. Ooh. Ah. Y'all, I just ate some spicy as heck just now. What the heck? That is crazy. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. I'm good. Alright, you guys. What was that? Something just literally like, look, this is what it looked like up close. This is the beef. It's definitely some kind of spices in there. I just don't know what kind, but it's some kind of spices in here. It ain't on the outer part now, but when you get to that middle, some up in there, something that hit. Alright, I'm about just, I don't even know if I'm gonna finish this, or I really don't know what I'm gonna do, to be honest. I'm definitely gonna let my son try it.
Good.
Okay, so he said it's good. Alright, so this is start you with your hands because it's an African dish, okay? So this is egusi. This is with beef. So you know beef, you eat beef. You gotta take a little piece of this, put in your hands, and scoop it with some well, try that first by itself. Yeah. I'll get back. Whew. Yeah. Actually fucking my eyes.
Help me.
Shit too bright.
This is nasty. The rice is not nasty. Fire. But this right here is spicy and it's fried.
What does the bread taste like? Kind of, to me, it tastes like mashed potatoes, but it's like bread. What does it taste like?
Tastes nasty.
Okay, so now trying to try that. So pick it up with your hands like a piece of meat, like that. Just tear a piece off. Hold on. Then get some of this with it. Okay, I'm gonna help him out, you guys. All right, come here. Get you a little bit. Dishes, you eat it with your mouth. All right, ready? Set, go. Big bite. Oh, mouth. Oh, mouth. Yeah, because you can't like bite it. You got to put the whole thing in your mouth. You can't bite it. Huh? Yeah, you can eat it. That's good. See, he like it too. So now we're gonna try this one. And yeah, let's open up. Let's see. Okay. So this one is a different one. All right, let's eat it. The whole thing in your mouth.
Kind of.
It's kind of okay.
It was
Tell me what it tastes like.
It was bad and kind of turned good.
So what you just ate is the goat meat. So you just ate goat meat, and that one over there was beef. So you just ate goat. It tastes pretty good, huh? Just the same as if you would eat chicken or anything like that, right?
Got him! Got him! I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.